Hello, dear friends and fans of Goodlifta. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you something unique and special from us, from the Goodlifta smart lifters. We've introduced this quick exchange battery pack, which is highly appraised, which is highly received by the market. Now we are giving it a brand new feature with this BMS Battery Management system, along with the BTS Battery Temperature Alert system. So the user can quickly see the battery capacity while using the lifters. So when we turn the lifter on, other than the battery gauge on our lifter, you can also see the battery capacity on this battery pack alone. So you see a minus symbol here. That means the battery is in use. And here the percentage shows the capacity and the remaining time for use. Other than the battery pack on the lifter, we also have a standalone charge station. Okay, so when the battery is in charge, let me connect the power. And now you will see the battery is in charge. So there will be a plus symbol on the battery pack. So in case anything wrong happens and there are high temperature inside the battery itself, we have a alert system. Here the LED would start to blink, and also you will hear the beeper start to beat continuously to warn, to alert the operators there's something wrong with the battery. You need to have an immediate check on the battery pack. And to exchange the battery pack, likewise, turn this lever off and lift it up, take this out, put it in. Turn the power on, the lifter is back in action, and load the battery pack into the charge station. We are ready to go. It starts to charge itself and turns off when the battery pack is fully charged. Alright, that's all for today. So whatever material handling issues you are running into, or anything you want to know about our lifters, please feel free to contact us at Goodlifta. We'll be more than delighted to help you out. See you next time. Cheers. Bye.